What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog here, and for today we're back with our GR86 series. And today is a very special day just because we got ourselves a body kit that we've been hoarding for quite a while. And today's the day we're gonna put this on to our GR86. So how do you put this AiMGain kit? First things first, I'm gonna read the manual. So right in front of me is the manual that came in with your AiMGain body kit, and this also serves as your authenticity to make sure that your product is legit. So they come with just a traditional screw. Okay, let's focus the camera. Just a traditional screw that I will change in the future. Just want to see the body kit on how it looks like with my car. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it as it is or I'm gonna paint match it. Yeah, but I'm still leaning towards to paint matching it. Well, we'll see. Okay, so we have Japanese manual, all Japanese manual. Okay, so we have an English manual. Okay, I'm just gonna read this. So while I'm figuring out on how to install my body kit on this GR86 that we have, might as well change the oil since it's already on the jack stand. So if you're following my channel, you know how to change the oil in your GR86 or BRZ. It's pretty straightforward. Once you got it on the lift or jack stand, you just need a 10mm socket and a 17. So I did loosen this up earlier. It's not that loose when you're taking off your oil. And here goes nothing. Don't want to create a mess. So just gonna pray that I don't. Oops. So yeah. So according to the manual that I read, I have to remove the center clip that is located in the middle of your bumper and the other two side clip as well. That's what it says in the manual. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So basically this center clip here. Okay, come on, camera, focus. That center clip. Take that off. And one on each side. The next step will be test fitting your front lip. If I can get it out. How did I get it out? Okay. So we're gonna try and test fit the front lip. According to the manual, we can basically bolt this in using the side clip. Pretty much we're gonna drill this hole here and make it a little bit bigger. So that the plastic OEM clip can fit into your AiMGain front lip. Okay, so that's what we're doing right now. We're gonna drill and make this hole bigger. Don't forget your eye protection, guys. Don't be like me. So I don't have the right tools, so I'm just gonna do this slowly. Okay. So this is my trick. You just grab an extension, push this like that. Now it's in. Okay, let's remove this jack. Yeah, that's nice. So, initial thoughts on. Okay. So my initial thoughts on this front lip fits like a glove, to be honest. There's only 3 clips that's holding it right now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need to drill 9 holes. So now, after we install the front bumper, we're up for the side skirt. So I did unbox this on my older video. If you want to see it, I'll put the link down in the description below. Basically, we're just unwrapping this. Again, huge shout out to my cameraman here, Adrian. Thank you very much for helping me on your today's agenda with your mansory. Still working on cars. That's a cool one. Okay, once you got this out, I think this is the tricky part here. You have to drill the holes sideways, so pointed that way. At least on this side here. And then the rest is just flat. Okay, let's mock this up. Okay. So now we're gonna drill some holes in our side skirt. I'm not sure if I'm able to film it correctly, but you get the idea. I'll just place you guys down here. You need another friend that is willing to hold your side skirt, and that way you don't make a mistake on drilling some holes in your side skirt. Okay, now we're off to drilling again. Nakatulak din, men. Salamat ah.
Last one, no? Last but not the least. I think kasi direct ko dyan. Ha? Pagano nga? Ay, iso.
Saan?
Wala.
Okay. Things we do. Things we do for cars. Pasok ba dyan?
Pasok.
Atras na ako. Yan. Ganyan, pre. Yan.
Yep.
Thank you. Here's this one. So basically, I ended up jacking up the rear of the car after I tightened down all the bolts in the front side. That way I can have access here underneath here. Let me show you here. So basically, I need access on this hole right here, where you put one screw in. Ended up using this hole here so I can properly align the side skirt and achieve the fitment that I want. So this could be the last run for this season, guys. This could be it. I'm just enjoying the sunrise here, which I did miss about 10 minutes ago. So now we're just enjoying every single bit that we have before the long winter. And this is the carbon fiber kit from AiMGain. Again, huge shout out to Nick and the whole Speed Factor team for helping me source this out. So far, it's been good fitment. I'm really enjoying this. I'm just not too sure if I can live with this carbon fiber look. Don't get me wrong, but I really like the carbon fiber look. I'm just not too sure about this white car though. Not entirely sure. Should we paint match it, guys? Let me know in the comments down below, guys. I feel like paint matching this will be the end game for me. See you in the next one. Alright.